I'm Josh Fryer Cooper. I've been with the business for 8 years and I'm a training and development lead. I think we have a sense of purpose because we are helping people in a crisis. You get a sense of fulfillment when you sign that job off and the customer, they're elated, their world is upside down and we're there to help. In my role now, I'm very much in the training side of things, helping with new starters out on site, helping with their modules, their gateway, etc. So yeah, I've moved over from the PDRS technician side and I'm now more training based. I think that working for a company where you are always trying to help someone, like I say, it gives you a sense of purpose. You know that you're going to help someone. Sometimes we turn up to properties and we are their saviour at the end of the day, and I think that really does, it means something. We always work with empathy. We have to. We are going into a critical situation in someone's house. They could be crying, they could be sobbing. So I think they have to mean so much to us. I think someone would want to work in my team because our team are there to progress the next technician in Polygon, and I think that if someone was to join our team, they would feel part of a unit. It's not a one-man band. If someone needs a hand, we are there to help. Currently, I'm going through a development program where I'm having all different kinds of courses, critical thinking. I've got one tomorrow, or next week, advanced report writing to benefit myself in my new role. I think the Polygon is an extremely fair company. I think it's a very rewarding company as long as you're prepared to put the work in. To sum up Polygon in one word, I'd say excellence. We're always striving to be better. We're always striving to go the extra mile to help someone and to improve.